Little puppy. Guilt.
She looks your manga.
What do you mean?
In that picture.
Oh.
Look at her. Like, look at your big doggy. You look like you're a big doggy.
Don't chew the cord.
I have to watch that. So watch your every move.
Flying doggy for the win.
Aww.
Okay, you have to go to bed now.
Come on. Let's go to bed.
Alright.
Lay down. Yes, I smell a kitty cat in here. I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna fall. Come on, poopy puppy.
She looks like she wants to stay in there.
You back in the basket? Did you whine? Did you whine? What do you think, Toby? No, she acts like she can't get out of there.
Okay, puppy, I'm done recording you for now.